So guys, happy Jamghat, and in today's video I will show you that how to draw a sketch of Mahalakshmi. So guys, I am Kanishka, okay? We'll start. Here I have drawn the lines. Guys, I have to erase in between, so I am drawing. First, though, I will draw it like this. Guys, it's first try, so please like and subscribe to my channel, The Romet Show.
And please leave a comment
Yes guys.
and like this video. Please share this video with your friends.
Okay guys, so I am drawing the first eye of Mahalakshmi. Guys, I know the shape is not clear.
So guys, don't see our banner. It is shown that every Sunday new video, but it's not video. We will change it. It is videos. So we will make Sunday 2 or 3 video if we can.
Guys, this I have to draw the liner so that it looks attractive. Okay guys.
So guys, please subscribe this video.
So guys, now you can see I'm drawing it. I have to correct it here. This little bit is okay guys. One I have art show I have drawn, and now I have to take a scale. Do so. Okay guys, so I have drawn the line and here copying it. So guys, copying this eye, I have drawn this eyes also. So now I will draw the center part of the eye. Here I have drawn the a dot. Guys, I have to shade it also. I am using my finger. Hey guys, so here I have drawn the center part of the Lakshmi Ma. So here I will draw. Okay. So guys, here you can see I'm drawing.
It's like a tire.
No. First you see what I'm doing. Now I will shade it with my hand guys because I have not any paper or napkin. 20. Okay guys, so here you can see I have drawn the eyes, both the eyes of Mahalakshmi, and now it's time for drawing the eyelashes. So guys, here you can see I have drawn the eyelashes of Goddess Lakshmi, and here also. 1 minute guys. Okay guys, so here you can see I have drawn both the eyelashes, and here also I am drawing the little eyelashes.
I'm making full body.
No, only the sketch of a face. I'm even not drawing the arch because it's looking attractive when I'm drawing only the eyes, nose and lips. Okay guys, here you can see the eyelashes. Now it's time for drawing the eyebrow. So for drawing the eyebrow, first, okay guys, so here I am drawing the upper part. I don't know what this is. Seam is here only also. From here I have to draw little. Okay guys, now here drawing the eyebrows.
Only you are making his nose.
Guys, we are making only eyes, nose and lips, not full body. Guys, here I am drawing the eyebrow. It's very tough to draw the eyebrow, guys. I've practiced a lot for it, but now I am thinking that what I will do. Okay guys, so you can see, and same here also I'm doing. Okay guys, here you can see our both the eyes are finally ready. So now I will erase these lines,
Helping lines.
yeah, because details of eyes are drawn, so it will give a finishing look. Guys, now I will draw her nose. Okay guys, here you can see half nose as drawn, and here I am shading.
It's for beginners.
Yeah, I have to say this in last, and he said just now only. Now guys, I'm drawing this. Okay guys, here you can see the nose has also been drawn. This part I'm drawing now. Okay guys, now it's time for drawing lips. Okay guys, so here you can see lips, the arch has drawn, and now I'm shading the lips like this. Okay guys, so here you can see our lips are also drawn, and now I'll give a shade to this part. Okay guys, now I'll draw, no sorry, I am erasing the helping lines. Okay guys, now I will draw the most important part, so that everyone can see that it is drawing a sketch of goddess Lakshmi. Okay, now guys, now I will draw the third eye of goddess Lakshmi. So sorry guys, this is not the three eyes. I have asked to my grandmother just now that it is not third eye of Mahalakshmi. I'm only drawing the bindi, that biggest bindi. Okay guys, now guys, here you can see the the bindi has drawn. Now I'm drawing the nose pen. Sorry, not pen. Nose ring. Yeah, nose ring. Okay guys, so finally our sketch is over. So guys, again I am saying a happy Jamgut, and please guys give a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel The Romit Show,
And hit
so
the bell.
bye guys, and yes guys, please hit the bell, and if you like our video, please comment and clear us that you are really liking our videos. So bye guys.